In the comment section for the Voltrx shaker cup, someone said that I hadn't give the cup a fair shake. Get it? What they said is that I had used banana chunks instead of mushed bananas in order to mix it with the liquid. I also didn't include the peanut butter because I don't think that this is actually going to work with the peanut butter or the mushed bananas. So here we are to see if this person has a valid point or not. Mushed banana like I have here. So we're going to add the mushed banana in here and let this do its job of mixing the banana with the water to see how that works. I don't think that it's going to make a difference, but we gotta do what we gotta do to see if this works like it's supposed to. Also, as part of the extra for the review is that this says that the battery will last 2 months, and that's not true. This lasts about 3 weeks, depending on how often you use it for battery life. So you will have to charge it about every 3 weeks, which is not bad. It's not horrible. 3 weeks is pretty good battery life, and it works with any USB-C charger. So it's done now, and I'm just going to point out that we can see there all that chunks of banana. So as you can see there, the chunks of banana are still there. So it was kind of what I said. Let's add now peanut butter here. I have a tablespoon of peanut butter that I'm going to add because this also says that you can add peanut butter to your shakes and that the peanut butter is actually going to mix in with the liquid that you're using. Again, I don't think the peanut butter is going to fare too well, but I'm still going to add it because as the person on the comment section said, fair is fair. And I want to show you here that I'm not biased towards anything, that I'm not trying to hide anything. I just personally, based on the power of the motor on this cup and my usage, I don't think that it's actually going to do what it's supposed to do. So as you can see, this looks kind of gross now, and I apologize for that. But as you can see here, we have the peanut butter there at the very bottom swimming. Let's have this focus again. There we go. So you can see there the peanut butter swimming. So let's get it going. All right, so I sped up that for you to make it faster. And it looks like on the second round, it actually kind of got rid of the bananas there. So I guess if you did it 2 times, there's still a little bit of chunk there. So if you did it 2 times, you should be okay. And it looks like it did a pretty good job with the peanut butter, but I don't think the peanut butter is fully dissolved. Let's put it in a regular cup and see what it looks like. I got a cup here. We're going to transfer the contents to get a better view of this. But as you can see, this has been sitting here for a little bit now, and you can still see the chunks and stuff. But so you can see there, I mean, fair is fair. It did. Oh no, look at that. I don't know if you can see that chunks there. There we go. So you can see there the peanut butter at the bottom and stuff. So there you have it. I'm going to give it a so-so pass. I'm going to take back my comment saying that it doesn't do what it promises, because it clearly does. It just takes a lot more work than I expected. It takes a few more button presses in order to get it done. So this is something that you've been looking into. Rest assured that it's going to do what advertises. Thank you very much for suggesting that I do this correctly. Thank you for your comments. As always, go ahead and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you can be alerted every time we have new videos. And thank you very much for watching. It's also going to do a few. He's going to take a few.